Welcome to. So in this chapter we are going to see equations with order 1, that is an equation involving one variable with the highest power 1. Okay, for an example, 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. This is an equation. Okay, because here is equal to sign and this side, right hand side, this one is left hand side and this one is right hand side. There are two sides, so here is equal to sign. This kind of information, mathematical information, is called as equation. So linear equation will have one variable like 5x plus 7 is equals to 22. This is an equation where x is a variable and the power of this variable is 1. Where nothing is there, then there is 1. Power means like y to the power 2, y square we call this one as, z to the power 4. So this kind of things are called as power, okay, or exponent, and sometimes index also. So a variable is that which do not have fixed value, okay, like 5 is always 5 only, it remains 5 only, 7 also, 22 also. So this kind of numbers are constant and this kind of numbers are variables because it changes its values time to time. Okay, so here one variable and equal to sign. So this kind of information is called as linear equation. Okay, so we'll solve in this chapter variables, the value of variables. We'll solve for the values for the variables. Like here, if we solve here 5x plus 7 is equals to 22, then how much we're going to get x as? So first of all, this constant will bring that side. Okay, we'll take it this 7 here, and as it changes its position from left hand side to right hand side, the plus will change to minus sign. Okay, so this is a minus 7. Now x, we are finding the value, so we are trying to make it alone. This side, left hand side, x will keep, and 5 as it is multiplying with this, when it changes its position to right hand side, then it will divide. Now this is a simple calculation, okay, to get the value of x. So when you subtract in the numerator part 22 minus 7, how much we are going to get? 15, isn't it? 15 by 5. When you divide it, then you are going to get the value of x, that is 3. 5 3s are 15, isn't it? So we have solved for the variable and the value is 3. Okay, so this kind of information, mathematical information, is called as linear equation, where a variable is there and the power is 1. Okay, so a lot of examples we can write here as an linear equations. Okay, so like 2y minus 5 is equals to 4y minus 9. So here also you can see one variable is there and the power is 1. Okay, so the solutions of a linear equation we are always going to see for this simple calculation. We have to find the value of the variable. Okay, so let us jump to the exercise 14a. solve each of the following equations and check your answer in each case. Okay, this is the question. Number 1, 5z plus 4 is equals to 35. Solve means to find the value of z here. Okay, and this is a linear equation. Okay, and we have to check our answer also after finding the value of variable. So here we can see this 5 is common to this two quantities. Okay, so we'll take it this one this side. So as it is multiplying here, 5 into here, into is there. Okay, 5 into z plus 4, so 5 will go that side, it will divide, and 5 7s are 35 here. So z, we are finding the value, this plus 4 will go that side and it will become minus 4. Therefore z is equals to 7 minus 4 is 3. Now check your answer means checking by putting this left hand side, putting the value of z in the left hand side, that is 5, z is 3 and plus 4, how much we are going to get? 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 5s are 35, so which is equals to right hand side. So the value of z is 3, and when we're putting this value in the left hand side, then we are getting 35. So that means left hand side is equals to right hand side when z is equals to 3. Okay, so in this manner we have to solve. Question number 3, 5 by 8 into x minus 6 is equals to 9. Okay, so here the variable is x and we have to solve for x. So at first this minus 6 will bring this side. Okay, so 5 by 8 x is equals to 9, this minus comes this side, plus 6. Okay, and these two together gives us 15, and 5 and x, 5x, this 8 comes this side, it is dividing in the left hand side, when it comes to right hand side it will multiply. Okay, now keep x alone and bring 5 this side, 15 into 8 by 5. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Therefore x is equals to 8 3s are 24, isn't it? Now checking by putting the value of x here, left hand side. Okay, that is 5 by 8 into x minus 6. So putting the value of x as 24, 5 by 8 into 24 minus 6, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, and minus 6. So which is equals to 9, and this 9 is equal to right hand side, isn't it? Right hand side. So when we put the value of x as 24, we get the value of right hand side. That means this value of this variable is correct. Okay, this way we check the answers. So now next is question number 5. Question number 5, 0.6x minus 1.9 is equals to 0.2x plus 0.5. So these are decimal numbers. Okay, don't worry. So just we have to bring like terms together. Okay, that is variable one side, this one is a variable with x, so we'll bring it this side, minus 0.2x, and all constants one side, 0.5 minus comes this side plus 1.9. okay, now 0.6 minus 0.2, 0.6, 0.2, if you subtract, how much we are going to get? 0.4, isn't it? 0.4 x this side, and when you add these two, how much we are going to get? 0.5 plus 1.9, we are going to get 9 plus 5, 14, and 1 here, 2 decimal here after 1 digit. Okay, that is we got 2.4. now the value of x will be 2.4 divided by 0.4, yes or no? So decimal, just remove it, and this will be equal to 24 by 4, so which is equals to 6. Therefore x we got as 6. Okay, now putting this in left hand side, we can check the answer. So checking part I am leaving for you people. Okay, next question will go for 7. 5, 3 minus x plus 1 is equals to 3 into x plus 4. So this is an equation, okay, where we have to find the value of x. So this is linear equation where the power of the variable is 1. Okay, here the variable is x, and here also x. So there is only one variable in this equation, that is x, and we have to find the value of that. Now left hand side of this equation, we can open this bracket at first. 5 3s are 15, plus into minus, minus 5 into x, 5x plus 1. This is outside the bracket, so we don't have to multiply with this 5. Okay, 5 we are multiplying with this 3 and minus x only, not with this plus 1. It is outside the bracket. Now right hand side, 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into 4, 3 4 is how much? 12. Now this variable and this variable quantity, let us keep it left hand side, minus 5x, along with the sign we have to write, that is minus 5x. This plus 3x, when it comes to this side, it will become minus 3x, and all the constants at one side, 12, and this 15 minus 15 it will be when it come to right hand side from left hand side, and plus 1 becomes minus 1. Okay, so here you need to add minus and minus. Minus into minus, what will do? Plus, isn't it? So minus into minus we have to add. That means 5 plus 3 is 8x, and 12 here, this negative numbers will add, that is minus 16 here, and the sign of this will be minus only. 12 minus 16 is minus 4, and minus 8x, minus minus get cancel, so x will be equal to 4 by 8, that is 4 1s are 4 2s are, therefore x will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay, question number 9. 6 into 3x plus 2 minus 5 6x minus 1 is equals to 3 into x minus 8 minus 5 7x minus 6 plus 9x. So here an algebraic expression left hand side, another algebraic expression right hand side. So let us simplify this at first, both the sides. Okay, so 6 here will multiply, 6 3 is 18, 18x plus 6 2 is 12, minus into plus minus, 6 5 is 30, x minus minus plus 5 1s are 5. This side also 3 into x 3x, plus minus minus, 3 8s are 24, minus plus minus, 5 7s are 35, x minus into minus plus 6 5s are 30, and plus 9x. Okay, now all the variables will keep it right hand side, oh sorry, left hand side, that is 18x, this 18x and minus 30x, and from this 3x will come this side, minus 3x, another is minus becomes plus 35x, and this 9x plus will become minus and 9x, and all constants in this right hand side, that is minus 24. Okay, this minus 24 and plus 30, and then from here plus becomes minus 12, from here minus 5. Okay, now we'll simplify this side, 18x and 35x we can add. Okay, this we can add, and 30x and 3x will add, because these two are negative and these two are positive. Here also these negative numbers will add, that is minus 24, minus 12 and minus 5 will add. Okay, now this 18x plus 35x will get 53x minus this 30, so here minus 30x minus 3x and minus 9x will give us 42x is equals to this side minus 24 minus 12 minus 5 will add, and this 30 will keep it as it is because this is a positive number, minus 41 we get. when we add this 24, 12 and 5. Now subtracting 42 from 53, we get 11x, and here 30 minus 41, we get minus 11. So x will be equal to minus 11 by this 11, that is equals to minus 1. Okay, so x is equals to minus 1. Question number 11. Two x plus 3 by 3 plus x is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, here this is numerator part and this is denominator part, so this as whole is a fraction. Equal to sign 3 by 2, and variable is x, power is 1. So this is also an example of linear equation, okay, where we have to solve for x, that is we have to find the value of x. So at first we'll do the cross multiplication, that is 2x plus 3 by 2 will multiply, and this 3 will be multiplied by 3 plus x. Okay, so here using the brackets, this 2 into 2x plus 3, and here this 3 into this 3 plus x. Okay, open the bracket, 2 2 is 4x plus 3 2 is 6, here 3 3 is 9 plus 3 into x is 3x. Okay, now variable will bring one side, 4x plus 3x will become minus 3x this side, 9 here only, plus 6 will go this side and becomes minus 6. 4 minus 3 is 1, that is x here. 9 minus 6 is 3, so therefore x is equals to 3. Okay,